So Emily, the first piece you were going to show us was with different patterns inside some circles. So let's have a look.
I did one with like Mickey Mouse in it. The other one's kind of just like a crisscross thing in pink and purple. One's kind of like a moon, I guess. It's light purple, dark purple and turquoise. One's balloons in just a nice blue sky, and the last one is a rainbow coloured circle with just some numbers on it.
What inspired that?
I was bored and went, that's a good idea, and just...
Cool. So another piece that you've done is that you drew a character from a Disney show. Would you like to introduce us?
I did Stitch from Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah.
I googled colouring pages, like simple cute colouring pages, and Stitch was on one of them. So I copied the outline and then coloured it in like a colouring book. And added a little aloha in the corner.
And then you did another colouring book page, didn't you?
I did. This one, it's just, well, sugary things. So I put sugar at the top. It's quite cute actually. There's a nice cat donut and some ice cream, I think.
And then the final piece that you did, you've done a big poster based on a show that you like. So you want to tell me about that?
Well, I did it because as you said, I really like the show, and I really like it because it's about it's a group of figure skaters, and one of them has struggles with his weight and has really bad anxiety, and through the show he manages to get over those and win a gold medal in like the big competitions that he went to. Also, it's very good animation, and I think it's inspiring.
So tell me a little bit about how you made the poster.
I got a big A3 sheet of paper and printed out pictures of the people. And then I have a collection of like collage pictures you could use for collages and things. So I used some of those relating to each character. So I had 3 of the main characters and then 1 or 2 pictures relating to them.
So your collection of collage images, where did you get those from?
I used to be subscribed to a like children's newspaper, and in the middle of each issue they had a double print thing of like pictures with little explanations in the corners, and I kept them because they were all really pretty and I thought that they could be helpful, so I used some of those.
So you kind of cut those out and then stuck them on for ones that were related to each character?
Yeah.
Sounds cool. Wow, thank you for sharing your artwork with us. This first picture that you can see is the one that was described by Emily in the interview. This is the picture with 5 circles, and then each circle has its own design. This second picture that's up on the screen now is Emily's drawing of Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Stitch is a alien-like koala that is a mix of light and dark blue, with big eyes and a big nose, and has pink ears. And there is a cute aloha with a love heart in the top left-hand corner. The sugar drawing, so Emily described this a little bit during the interview. There's a number of confectionaries. There's kind of biscuits, cakes, ice creams, donuts, smoothies, fizzy drinks, and these are all kind of coloured in and decorated appropriately. And this final image is a photograph of the Yuri on Ice poster. So it has 3 character portraits that are shop brought posters, I believe, or posters brought from a convention. and then the collage images that represent the different characters. So, for example, there is a picture of some men climbing through ice caves. There's photos of the Northern Lights and different things of that sort of style that represent each of the characters from the show.